little chat about why I've kind of been MIA, not posting. Hello world, and welcome back to another exciting vlog. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you for being here still. Sorry I haven't posted. Also, go subscribe to everybody down in my description below. And yeah, let's just get into this vlog. Mwah. I'm brunette. Like, what? Oh my god, you're brunette too. You look like me.
You stole my hair.
You guys, who is who? I'm Lyra. This is Adelia. And we're gonna go to the farmer's market. So,
this shit makes your look Josie.
Josie.
Like Josie.
Like
Josie.
We're looking like twins for sure. Wait, that's my ex-fake boyfriend, just chilling.
Babe, I mean fake babe, what the fuck?
It's okay.
Thank you.
I have a twin, so you can have her.
Yeah, I'm gonna back up. Sorry, babe, you wanna get out of here?
Yeah, let's go.
Cool, alright. Later.
Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young.
We are going to get some tattoos. It's so scary. You look like me now? Or do I look like you? Or do we look like each other? I don't know about you, but I look good. All right, let's get tatted. How y'all doing? Who wants an update on my tattoos? Because I got like 100 more. I do. Okay. First one is this really cool little skull. It's outlined black and red. And honestly, I've always wanted a skull. This is just freaking cool. And then these eyes with the little teardrop, and it's red. And I feel like everyone can relate to this here and there, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But it's so beautiful to me. My little smiley. I've wanted for a really long time, for real. Every time I look down at this tattoo, it's like I just smile. It's just so cute. And then I have the always. Lyra has the and sign forever, so it's always and forever. We're always and forever gonna be twins, literally. And then I have this giant face one. It represents Lyra and I think it's so pretty because they're like the same but different, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I have dots on all my fingers. I saw it on Pinterest. I thought it was badass and I was like, I want that. But yeah. 8 hours later. Amelia's camera. Ooh, Adelia. I'm liking the fit. I'm liking the fit. Ooh, the booty popping. What do you rate this one?
For you, I really like it. Like an
Yeah?
8.
I hate this outfit. I like this That's what I want, but in a bigger size. I like the butt cut.
Yeah.
I look like a rock star.
I like that one.
I do too.
And we are in our outfit.
We literally bought them and changed in the car and straight in the town.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some Earth Cafe.
We look fire. If someone would come up to me and ask me for my number, I would probably say yes.
What?
No, I wouldn't.
The green stuff in my teeth?
No. Look at this beautiful masterpiece. Like, what? He did it. Snatched.
Hello.
Okay, that's better.
Hello, love bug.
I'm gonna have a little chat about why I've kind of been MIA, not posting. I feel like I just needed a little break. You know, when I first started YouTube, everything was kind of like happening all at once. I was just on a high and it kind of dimmed down a little bit. The high was right here and then it kind of went. I think I just got really overwhelmed and really drained. I just needed to kind of step back a little bit. Also, I've just been distracted with other personal things. Just, you know, life. Hello, bird. You guys also. It's not as easy thinking of new original ideas or just something different, or even having my vlog be better than the one I did before. I was just like, oh gosh, I need to just calm down and just need to maybe like chill for a bit, have fun, live my life, want to post. Does that make sense? Yeah. Yeah, I'm back posting on Mondays, and thank you for all the sweet DMs of you just saying, where are you? I love your vlogs. Really is so sweet. Thank you guys so much for still being here, still subscribing, still liking, still commenting, and everything like that. I was scared that you guys all were gonna just I love you all so much. Thank you for watching my exciting vlog. Go like, comment, subscribe. I'll link everyone's information down below, especially Lyra's because she's the shit. I look heinous. That's why I'm wearing these glasses. Oh my god, I look so disgusting. Comment, like, subscribe, and follow everybody down below. Okay, gotta say bye.
Say bye.
Bye.